Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the 5 best ways to make money with crypto. Now, making money with cryptocurrencies is one of the popular ways to make money online right now. It is popular because it has made a lot of people rich. It is simple to buy, sell, trade with just your phone. Now, crypto has created different sources of income for millions of people around the world, and even a lot of companies now accept crypto as a form of payment, and even celebrities around the world support various crypto projects around the world. All these have increased the rate at which crypto is adopted around the world, which now makes it easy to make money with it. Now, before I go into these 5 ways to make money with cryptocurrencies, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make money, multiply your money, and manage your money the right way. So if you love content on these topics, please ensure you like this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Now to the 5 best ways you can make money with cryptocurrencies. Number 1 is to buy and hold crypto. Now, this is by far the easiest way to make money with cryptocurrencies, and this is because cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Their prices fluctuate easily, that is, they go up and they come down. Now, to do this, all you need to do is buy any crypto of your choice that has good value and good use cases, and hold the crypto until it increases in value, and then you can sell later for profit. And you can open an account on Bybit, Binance, or other crypto apps and deposit money, buy your crypto, and store your crypto on the app. And you can also easily turn your crypto to cash anytime you want to and withdraw your money to your bank account. Now, this method of making money with crypto is recommended to beginners or people who are new to crypto and don't know how to trade. And there are some apps or websites where you can easily buy crypto and hold your crypto, which are Binance, Bybit, which I mentioned earlier. You also have KuCoin, Remitano, and so on. There are a lot of crypto apps out there. We are advised that use these ones I've mentioned. And if you are thinking of investing in crypto, check out our video on the 9 crypto investing tips for beginners. The link to that video will be in the description below. The second way to make money with crypto is to stake your crypto. Now, staking cryptocurrencies is another way you can make money with crypto. It is a process that involves committing your crypto assets to support a blockchain network and confirm transactions, and it allows you to earn your rewards in form of crypto. Now, staking your crypto is a great way to earn passive income, and some cryptocurrencies do offer high interest rates when you stake your crypto. Various crypto apps can also allow you to stake your crypto in different assets, some of which are Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin. And I have different tutorials on how you can make money by staking your crypto. The links to these videos will be in the description below. The third way you can make money with crypto will be affiliate programs to earn crypto. Now, if you have accounts with different crypto apps or websites, you see that most of these apps or websites do have affiliate programs where you can refer your friends to the app and you get rewarded in form of crypto. Now, the more people you refer to these apps or websites, the more money or the more crypto you'll be able to accumulate for yourself for free. And some crypto apps that offer affiliate programs are Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Remitano, and a lot more. You can sign up on some of these apps and check out their affiliate programs. And that's actually one of the ways I make money too. Now, the fourth way you can make money with crypto is crypto trading. Now, crypto trading is simply the act of speculating on the price movement of cryptocurrencies and taking advantage of trends in the market to make money regularly. Now, the goal of a crypto trader is to become a profitable trader, and to do this, you need to acquire the right knowledge and learn from experts. And you need to be good at technical analysis and fundamental analysis. And you also need to learn and master different strategies for making money with crypto trading. Now, I've been trading crypto for 6 years now, and it has been my major source of income till now. And all it takes is learning and practicing. And if you want to become a profitable crypto trader, I will advise that you check out my personal YouTube channel. Just type Femi Olaniyan on YouTube and subscribe. You'll find various valuable content to guide you to become a profitable crypto trader. The fifth way to make money with crypto will be through airdrops. Now, this is a type of marketing that is done to promote new cryptocurrencies. Now, the developers of the new cryptocurrency will encourage adoption by giving the new cryptocurrency to people for free. Now, kindly note that airdrops are quite risky, as hackers try to use this opportunity to do fake airdrops. So be careful of every airdrop you see out there. Not all of them are safe. Now, firstly, you need to confirm if the airdrop is real so you are not duped, and always get a lot of accurate information before you join any airdrop. And if you need a guide, I have a complete guide on how you can make money with airdrops. The link to that video will be in the description below. So in conclusion, these are 5 of the ways you can make money with cryptocurrencies. Kindly note that cryptocurrencies are volatile and risky. Don't put your life savings in crypto, please. You should always do your research before you put your money in crypto and gain the necessary knowledge you need to succeed with crypto. And by the way, if you want to learn the 10 passive income ideas to make money, watch the video showing on your screen right here. And if you want to learn the 7 assets you should own to make money, click the video showing right here. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.